Hello traders, it is 1:53 EST. If you remember, since early this morning my bias remained firmly bullish. All the trades, bullish trades. The last trade went out for 8 points. The uptrend continued while I was gone for the last 2 hours. Multiple long opportunities. What are we monitoring for? We need a push back down before we will consider long. Or if this rally will run away from us, this is just something you have to accept. As once again, hand holding and trading does not work. You see the trading opportunity, you know the rules, you take it. Very powerful bullish formations, already in significant profit. Here's an example of one. This trade is already 5 points in profit. This is not the place where you buy. This is a place where you exit your trade and you move your stop outside of break even. So keep your fingers crossed. We're gonna see a serious push to the downside, and then we will be only monitoring for long. No long trade will be taken unless the rule is met. Correct? And this is in front of you, Alpha Wave Trader method on daily chart. This is the importance of reversal zone, and this is the importance of the minor trend. Bias here is bullish, bias here is bearish. Pure and simple. Rules are met, you take a trade. Rules are not met, you are not touching these levels. Agree? So again, bullish rally in a progress. At very crucial levels, we need a serious pullback. We're not gonna get pullback. We're not touching this rally that's currently 10 points in profit. Again, since early this morning, my bias remained firmly bullish. Every single trade, 5 trades were bullish. I warned you when there was no congruency. There was not much to expect. The last trade, 8 points. So, 2 minutes until FOMC release. This is extremely powerful chart. This is daily chart that's been spelling out extremely clearly what not to enter into. So this is where buyers had been stepping in, not far off from reversal zone. So keep your fingers crossed. The sellers will step in and will push further down. This is the place we're interested in the most. So here we go. Let's pay attention. FOMC at any moment. Very crucial reminder for those of you who are new. Never ever be in a trade at the time of FOMC release. Remember, always and forever. Every stop is a market order. 1 point stop can become 20 point stop. 99% of the time we have very volatile and very sharp formations. FOMC is out. Here's very slow announcements, a little bit delayed. That's still on track for 2015 rate rise. It's just not gonna happen today. Clear? So here goes the collapse. Collapse on S&P for a couple of points. Much slower FOMC than the prior time around, correct? Here's our guiding light for day trading hourly chart. This is where the buyer's been coming from the end of the minor trend. This is a level where bias remains firmly bullish. Price will push further up, it would be beautiful news. If price will collapse to here, it would be even better news, because we love reversal zone. Clear? So let's get rid of the daily chart. As again, you're witnessing when reversal zone on daily correlates with reversal zone on hourly, that's when magic happens. As I spelled out to you, at this point my bias is bearish. Bullish rally that set up 2 hours prior to FOMC, way overextended. So this is the key level, monitoring for response at this level. Very slow reaction. Nevertheless, the collapse we expected. Collapse currently at 5 points. very slow. 3 points later, 5 points. Very, very slow. Pullback played out. Showtime. I warned you. My bias remains firmly bullish, but only after a pullback. Stop outside of break even. Is that clear? Anybody wants to use any indicators? Instant 3 points on S&P. If you remember, each and every time price comes to decision point 2, you move your stop outside of break even, unless you're trading against the trend. Then story is different. You must adore decision point 1. The moment of truth. Can the buyers pick up the steam? Multiple charts confirming that. But nevertheless, we have reversal zone to break through. And that's the magic of the price. Correct? Time and time again, you're witnessing the accuracy of alpha wave trader method and the importance of knowing when to move the stop outside of break even. Let's monitor for another point of entry. Will the price find more serious buyers at this level again? Just remember, never ever ever short near this level. That S&P will collapse. It's been discussion for weeks to come. But one step at a time. This is day trading room, monitoring the response here. This is the end of the minor bearish trend. One step at a time. Magic will happen if price will collapse instantly to here, because this is reversal zone correlating with daily levels, where endless bullish rally for the last 3 days been playing out from. This was trade number 19. Reach decision point 2. Both trends are minor, buyers and sellers equal. Completely expected. Identical level on Apple as S&P been stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Will it finally collapse through? This is the level we need to see S&P at, as it will correlate with daily reversal zone. Sooner S&P will do that, better off we are. But we play by the rules. We know incredibly well that more than likely price will blast through this level. But we are not interested trading with 20% success rate. That's precisely the reason 5 hours in a row price is sitting here. Should have been out of Apple at 132. Apple is down 123. Apple is heading south, south, south. What would be ultimate test for Apple? This level. Will Apple blast through reversal zone? Then Apple is heading to here. Clear? This was a beautiful place to exit. Right now, Apple will chop, chop, chop to here, then chop, chop, chop to here, with minor pullbacks. Bullish rally on Apple is over. Exact same formula I use on 1 minute chart, I use on Apple monthly. Price is the same everywhere. If I just remove the title, if you wouldn't know what this is, you wouldn't have a clue what chart this is. Is this Forex 5 minute chart? Is this Apple monthly? You would not have a clue, because price is the same everywhere. All you have to do, identify what chart is appropriate for you. Our trade did not reach decision point 1. We're waiting for reversal levels. Clear? Soon as the price will come here, better off we will be. So here we are at reversal levels, an hour prior to the market close. We're witnessing worthless bullish corrections. There is absolutely nothing we can touch. As I warned you, buyers are here. Are the rules the same? Are the trades the same? Absolutely not. For that reason, you have to respect what price is telling you. 2043 is the key level. If price is blasting through, it will be incredibly sweet. Beautiful, lovely surprise. Showtime with 2043 being a major obstacle as expected. Let me give you another trade, traders, as I continue warning as you witness students leaving left and right. I warned you, it's gonna be a war zone. Pain, suffering, very aggressive trading. So once again a key moment, 2043. How in the world did I know that? Second time around, price is visiting this level and struggling. Simple. Price told me that well before we took that trade. Clear? The rule that has no number playing out each and every time. And today, if you played by the rules, you had another incredible day. This is trade number 8 in one day. That been the most brutal day of all. On the most brutal day of all, out of 8 trades, we had only 2 negative trades. And we managed to catch quite lovely runners. And I continue warning you, non-congruency is a problem. Best case scenario, the pain. Here we finally are at the end of the minor trend. Here we go, 2 points on S&P. You have an opportunity to walk away. If you want to walk and trade with more pain and suffering, adjust your trail. Pretty please. Outside of break-even is even wiser. As you're witnessing on this trade, 2 points on decision point 1. Clear? Price is that predictable, that simple, and that pure. So here we go. Trade number 21. 18 trades made it to decision point 1. As you witness, on every trade, decision point 1 has a different value. Time and time again. 5 points on S&P, decision point 2. Clear? And this is a trade we're discussing with my students. On this trade, it's decision point 1. Decision point 2 on this trade is 2048. What chart you trade, what time frame you trade is up to you. Let's see if we can catch better run than 5 points. Excruciating, painful trading. Nevertheless, daily chart reminded you, respect and adore reversal zone. Never short into it. Time and time again. Buyers picking up this theme. Showtime. Ladies and gentlemen, pretty please. That's another target on S&P. Adjusting my trail even closer. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm out. I'm leaving my trail where it is. I wish you a spectacular, magnificent afternoon. So let's make sure we add decision point 2 to our trading results. Extremely marvelous, powerful day. 8 trades on S&P. Only 2 negative trades out of 8. We got multiple rallies. You witness the inception of the trend at its best from decision reversal zone on daily. So if you know Alpha Wave Trader method, if you know Fibonacci levels, you know where to short from and you know what not to enter into. 1 spot left in a boot camp. Any questions? Always feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to hear from you. I can't wait for a boot camp. Reminder, 1 space left. Trading room closed completely.